Hi everyone, this is Pam. Welcome to the Paper Outpost. Guess what? We made it to 300 subscribers. Woohoo! Last night, sometime in the middle of the night it happened. I don't even know when. But the magic happened, and that means we're going to have a little bit of a surprise today. Today I'm going to offer a contest, and it's going to be a giveaway. And I'm going to give away this portfolio that I made. I have a video on it, but I'm just going to do a quick flip through here so you can see exactly what it is. So basically, all I'm asking folks to do is to like and subscribe this video and leave a comment below. And I'm going to leave this open for, I believe, let's see, today is, what's today? 20th? I think so. Okay, so why don't we leave it, how about October 1st? That's a good date, I can remember that. Okay, we'll leave it open till October 1st, and all you do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and then I will randomly pick a name from below and announce the winner on October 1st. So let's get to it and just take a quick peek at this. This is a portfolio that I made. I was just playing around one day, and I thought I'd make one, and this was a lot of fun. So quick looky-loo, and you can also see the other video as well. I should link it in here for you. Okay, so the front has a big pocket. It's made out of a manila envelope, this is. And it has a little T card in here, so you can check that out. It also has a little envelope with some lovely little journaling cards inside, little garden images. And also this contest is open to anybody all over the world. I will ship it anywhere. So if that helps. And here's some pretty writing paper with lace-like edge. Okay. And this envelope's been embossed. In the corner here is an ugly button turned pretty and a little collage. And we open up one side. And we open up the other side. And let's start with this section first. The side opens here. And down below here you have a, let me go a little closer so you can see what's going on. Okay, this little corner has a little card inside. Is that focusing? Okay, for more writing space. And it has a little Latin translation card here. There's some eco-dyed fabric here. Up here we have a little collage and a design. Here is this book. I'm going to back up. This book actually houses 3 different notebooks inside, and there's one notebook here, one notebook here, and one notebook here. And I'll show you how that works. First of all, this is a little tearaway booklet of different kinds of papers, just for fun. If you want to have some inspiration for making little collages and things in journals or in here, you can do that. And here is the first notebook. It's been dyed at the bottom. You have several pages here to play with. Okay, it's been stamped on the top. Okay, and oh, big plane going by. All right, section number 2, we have a flip here and we have a flip here. So this section is an envelope, and inside the envelope we have some lovely little items tucked in here, some stamps and journaling cards, places to write. And this is to indicate this turns. And here we have an envelope. This is a lovely little picture of ladies and some note paper to write on, and a journaling card, and another little journaling card, an address card. Here's a ticket to anywhere, and here is a vintage library card, and that's everything there. And then we have the middle section, which has a flip up here. This is an envelope. It's been embossed, so you can see, and dyed. And this is a little translation card from German to English. And I'll put that back in later. And this section here houses another notebook. And you have 2 flips here to get to it, 1 and 2. And this houses your pages to write on. I think there's 3 pages, and it's been sewn across the top with a doily behind it. And we have over here multi flips here. Hang on, get your flip. We're flipping today. Okay, this is a picture of a cabinet card of a lovely lady. This flips up. There's some ephemera on the back here. I believe that's from Tim Holtz. And a little cluster with a wooden heart and some cheesecloth. And here is a belly band with some vintage, journaling cards there. And this also flips up as well to reveal your 3rd notebook. You have several pages in there to write with some eco-dyed paper. And just when you think everything's said and done, we also have 2 big ugly buttons made pretty and some stenciling on this. When you close it up, on the back you have a vintage bingo card, and it is a pocket on the side. This comes out, and this is another little tearaway book with little different kinds of papers in it. It's got some gold accents, been sewn around, and it's got some coffee dyed paper on it. So there you go. If this is of interest, like I said, very easy. All you do is like, subscribe, and then leave a comment below. And I will announce the winner on October 1st. And I will ship it anywhere in the world. We'll just connect, and you just give me an address, and I will send it there. Okay, I'll figure that out later. Okay. So anyway, there you go. Good luck to the winner, and have a happy day, everybody. Happy crafting. Woohoo! 300.